How to add border to text in Wix website. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can add border to our text, to any text really in our Wix website. I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but it is going to be pretty much on Wix. But it's going to be pretty much on Wix editor. It's going to be exactly the same for you. So anyways, to get started you just want to go ahead and click on edit site to open up the Wix site editor. So from there, you obviously would want to just add some text that you want to add a border to, and make sure you have a background that is going to be, well, in my case, I'm just going to be adding a background that is going to make the border visible. So once this loads in, I'm just going to go down to a new section real quick, and I'm just going to add a strip, and I'm just going to add text on top of it. Now these steps are not really required of you. The only thing for you that is required is pretty much some text, and that's all. But in my case, I am going to be doing these things just to make sure it is visible for you, and you can see pretty much how it's actually going to look like. So now once we have this, all we need to do is just click on add elements, text, and then I'm just going to add heading 1. It could be really anything. If you want it to be heading 2, paragraph, size, whatever it may be. And then you would want to obviously go ahead and add the text that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and do test for border. And I know it's not visible yet, so let's just go ahead and highlight that. Change the color of the text to be orange, sure. So now basically now all you need to do is just go ahead and locate the text that you want to add the border to. Go ahead and click on it, and then from here obviously there are going to be some settings that are going to show up to you either on the top of it or below it. It doesn't really make a difference. Just go ahead and click on edit text. Once you click on edit text, you can feel free to add a lot of different effects on it and fonts and all these things. I'm just going to skip all of that, and I'm just going to go ahead, let's just make it bold, and never mind. Okay, then we just basically want to go to the effects section. So we just go in and click on effects, and you should find all of these different effects that you can add to your text. So if we just add this one, this is the one that has the border in it. So if we just go in and click on that, it pretty much does create that little border right around your text. So now we pretty much have our border, but there is also a different one that also creates a border, but this time it's going to be in white. So again, just click on edit text and go to effects, and you should find the other one, which is the H one, and it's just going to create a white border for you right around the text if that's the one that you want. And you have a few effects more to play around with, but unfortunately you can't really do much about it. For example, I'm not sure you can actually make it more thicker, because right now it's barely visible, but it does actually appear here for you. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.